Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly view all connected apps that is a link to your DocuSign account. So if you're using other applications that you have, let's say, integrate or connect DocuSign to, and you simply don't remember what those apps are, then I'm going to show you how you can quickly find out those apps. And you can know, and by viewing this, you can track which other applications it's connected to. And if you want to remove them at some point in time, you can know what it's connected to and you can remove them. So to see those connected apps, click your account on the upper right and click on manage profile from here. And on the left side, you have connected apps. Click on that. And here in this section, you will be able to see all the connected apps that are connected to your DocuSign account, and you will be able to view them. So it says connected apps can be granted to your DocuSign account in order to send or sign documents. And this is super useful. And you'll find out that if you have a DocuSign account and if you have other applications that you're using, you can integrate them. If that option is available for you to link DocuSign, then you'll be able to use them to sign document or to send documents within it. So this view is going to give you a list of all those applications that are connected to your DocuSign account, right? So you have application, you have the date, and you have the action. Simply means that you'll be able to remove some of those accounts as well if you don't want them or you simply don't want to have them connected to DocuSign as well. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.